It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Look, look, look. Something yummy is starting to appear on our paper. Can you see it? It's not finished yet, but it's already smiling at us. Wait a second. What's that on top? A hat? A hat with a little propeller. Silly burger. Are you getting ready to fly? Spin, spin, whoosh! I see a big round shape. Do you think it's a ball? Nope. Is it a pillow? Nope again. It's becoming a happy burger. Hello, burger. Oh my goodness, look at those big eyes.
Whoa!
They're so round and shiny, like the burger is watching us draw. And that tiny smile. Do you think the burger is happy? Yes, it is, because it knows something fun is happening. Ta-da! The drawing is finished. Get ready, because colouring time coming up. Time to make our lines thicker. We're tracing around our burger, nice and smooth.
Whoa!
Ooh, look at that! The eyes, the bun, the cheese, everything is popping out. Our burger is getting ready for colour fun. Whoa, look! Our drawing looks like a rainbow. So bright and colourful. I really love it. It's colouring time. Let's add happy colours to our adorable burger. Colour yellow. Look at this silly little hat on top of our burger. This is not just any hat. This is a super fun spinny propeller hat. I wonder, do burgers like wearing hats? Oh, yes they do. This burger loves hats because it wants to look cool and funny at the same time. This hat makes our burger extra special. Not all burgers wear hats, but this one does. Color purple. Make sure to subscribe, friends. Now let's color the top bun. The top bun is like a soft, cozy pillow for our burger. It looks so warm and comfy. Can the top bun see us coloring it? I think so. And it's probably very excited to see all the bright colors coming to life. Ooh, I look so pretty today, it might say. The top bun is like the leader of the burger team. It sits proudly on top, looking down at all the other yummy parts like, I'm in charge of hugs today. And I think the burger is giggling because it loves having such a friendly bun on top. The top bun also helps hold the whole burger together. Without it, the tomato or cheese might slide away. So this little bun is actually a hero. Super Bun to the rescue. Color green. Now let's look at the green lettuce. Oh, see how wiggly and bouncy it is. This lettuce looks like it's dancing right inside the burger. Green lettuce is fresh and fun. It goes wiggle wiggle, just like a little wave. If lettuce could talk, it might say, I'm green and I'm crunchy. Such a proud little lettuce. This lettuce is so funny because it's not flat. It's all curly and bouncy. I think it wants to play hide and seek with the tomato. Peekaboo. There's the tomato hiding under the lettuce. Silly vegetables. Did you know that in real burgers, lettuce can help keep the tomato from sliding around?
Whoa!
Our cartoon burger does the same thing. It's a careful little helper.
Whoa! Whoa!
Color red. Now it's time for the red tomato. Wow, look at that bright red color. Red is a bold and happy color, just like a big smile. The tomato is smooth and juicy. It looks like it's saying, "Ta-da, I'm here!" This tomato loves being in the middle of the burger. It feels very important.
Whoa!
If this tomato could talk, it would say, I'm ready to be squishy, juicy, and delicious. Let's say it together. Squishy, juicy, delicious. Ha 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 ha. tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables. Isn't that funny? So our burger has a sneaky fruit hiding inside. Can you say sneaky fruit? Color brown. I think our patty is really strong. It can hold the tomato, cheese and lettuce all at once.
Whoa!
Wow, what a superhero patty. Do you know why burger patties are brown? Because they're cooked and ready to be super yummy. Can you say yummy patty? Ha ha ha, good job, little friends. Did you know? Burger patties are usually made from ground meat and sometimes even beans or veggies. Yum!
Wow!
If we color carefully, maybe the patty will look extra juicy. Squish squash juicy. Time for cheese. Look at our cheese slice. It's so yellow. It looks like sunshine melted just for our burger. So cool. Where does cheese come from? From milk, of course. And milk comes from cows. Hello, happy cows. If our cheese could talk, it would say, I'm gooey, I'm melty, and I love making burgers happy. Let's say it together. Gooey, melty, happy. Ha ha ha, good job, little friends.
Wow!
Time to color the last bun. This is the strongest part of a burger. The bottom bun works very hard to hold everything up. It sits right at the bottom and says, don't worry, I've got this. Do you know why burger buns are golden brown? Because they bake in the oven until they're soft and perfect. Yum! Buns can be soft or a little crunchy. Ours is super soft and ready to hug all the toppings. Color blue. Can a hat make a burger feel excited? Oh yes, this hat makes the burger feel proud, like it's ready to say hello to all its friends.
Wow!
Oh no, what if the propeller starts spinning super fast? Do you think the burger might float up into the sky? Don't worry, burger, we're coloring you very carefully, so you stay right here with us. Are you having fun, friends?
Wow!
Color pink. When the hat is fully colored, it feels like the burger is ready to wave, say hi, and be part of our draw time fun. Hats can tell us something about who we are, and this hat tells us that the burger likes fun, laughter, and happy moments. Whoa! Ha 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 ha! We finished our adorable burger drawing. I had so much fun with you today. Don't forget to subscribe for more colorful, happy drawings. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you in the next draw time.